The aim of this tutorial is to understand how to access to Sentinel data, starting from the homepage of Copernicus program. In this homepage you find the information about the program, and you can navigate to select from satellites Sentinels. Sentinel satellites are a constellation of satellites, and here you can find information about each sensor and the different sensor on board of these satellites. If you want to access to the data, you can click on Visit Sentinel Online. Okay. And in this page you will find information, specific information of each missions, user guide with all the documentation about each mission and each sensor, technical guide for the different sensor, some thematic areas where you find information that describe the application of the data for these topics, and the last is data access, that is the tool that we will use to access to Sentinel data. Here in this page we can go directly in the Open Access Hub, where we will find a map. And first of all, it's necessary to register. The registration is free, and for registration we can go on this tool, on this login, and sign up. With this new page you can register your account with name, surname, and all the information that are required. And at the end of the process you will receive an email to confirm your email address, and then you will be ready to begin to choose and download the data. Once you receive the email, you are ready to access to search and to download the data. First, you have to log in with your account and your password. If the login is okay, it will appear in the lower right of the screen. You can choose the desktop, so if you want to change the map, you can change the map. And now we are ready to search Sentinel2 data for a specific area and for a specific acquisition time. To do this, we can zoom in our area of interest, moving with the mouse, and we can zoom. Now I will zoom in the Tunisian country. Okay, once I decide what is the optimum zoom, I can use the tools to choose the area of interest. And you will be able to choose a polygon, to draw a polygon. Okay, when the polygon, with a double click, the polygon will be ready. And now we have to insert the search criteria. So we click here. Okay, in the window we will put information about the acquisition of data. The sensing period is the data of acquisition. So we can use this calendar, and we choose from 1 August 2018 to 31 of August ingestion period is the period of publication of the data. And we are interested to Sentinel2, so we flag mission Sentinel2. It's not necessary to put Sentinel2 A or B, but it's because we should like to collect the data from acquired from both the satellite, so we don't specify. The product type will be related to the final format. One C is the calibrate data. And the cloud cover is very important because in the optical sensor, the cloud can mask some information, so we will put 0 and 0, and when we finish with this information, we can click on the lens to permit to the system to look for our data. Okay, the results will appear on the screen as a green box. As you can see, the system find 16 products. Why only 16 products? Because we specified in the search criteria a cloud cover of 0. If we change this, or if we put a blank, we can research data and you will find 211 products, so a lot of product, much more information, much more data, and as you can see, some of this data are full of clouds. Final step is the downloading of the data. We choose this image because this image is nice, it's the area of interest, and we can add this image to cart, and we can download the product, clicking on download the product. And we wait for some minutes, and the image will be downloaded.